We're in a really cool phase of rapid prototype testing. So we have all our 1-to-1 scale PLA printed prototypes to do our test fits, validations, making sure our scan data is lining up with real life. And I wanted to walk through my workflow of what got us to this point. So in a previous video, you saw that I scanned our APU enclosure all the way across to the back to the generator here. There's typically that engine and generator back here sitting inside this enclosure. We scanned the aircraft skin, our pressure bulkhead here, and then our inlet duct that passes through the aircraft skin. So the job is to pull cold air from in here up into a 9-inch axial fan flowing 1,000 CFM into our APU, and then cooling this enclosed chamber where the APU is sitting with the hot engine, exhaust, generator, and then it all vents out here. So to get to this point, we have our scan data. This is all modeled. You can see it right here. And then with these 3D prints, we can actually test fit in real life, get our axial fan positioned into the correct spot, because that's kind of the keystone of all of these things lining up. Once we have this anchored, along with this duct, we know our duct is good, we know our fan position is good, we know that we like our duct pulling air through the opening in the skin, and then this last connection manifold here is playing connect the dots from axial fan down to this duct. And this here, we're leaving a nice gap for basically maintenance to be able to pull this down, get the fan out, and with our clamshell design, we can get the fan out and away without taking the duct off. This is going to be some silicone scat connection, so it has flexibility and gives us some degrees of freedom with install. So that was a quick and dirty rundown of the workflow that got us to this point. It's a bit of theoretical positioning, validation, creating your anchor points to build your connection points to, and then finalizing the fine details of all of those connection points. So this is going to be a final 3D print, aluminum axial fan, final 3D print, final 3D print, and then a couple little guys out there on the enclosure. So if you got a unique problem like I'm sitting in right now and you need a unique solution, I'd love to work with you, help you make that happen. And if you need to bring additive into your workflow so you can solve problems like this, then hit me up. I can help you get set up.